Alright, what's up y'all? I'm back with another video, and today this is like a follow-up video to the previous video I made. Someone in the comment section mentioned that he tried to add games but it said bootable isn't available or able or something. Y'all gonna have to use the PS3 Disc Dumper, which I have it here. Just open the application, you scan this. Uh, Easy how to find what disc, PS3 disc you want to use. You can download off on the internet. PS3 Disc Dumper. Yeah, you can download for GitHub. Windows, Linux, uh, Macs, and just download it, just extract it, and the discs you get, you currently have, and you can add in your computer. You can just go ahead and scan the discs, I guess. And if you want to play the game, just boot game here. And add games, you just add the games you had in the download section. Alright, that's it. Oh yeah, like for example, you click the disk file you have, the ISO file, and the clicker is going to like open up here. It's going to open up right here. Boom. Yeah, like for example, like use a this DVD drive. You could you open it to like a DVD drive right there, and this is for like PC. This is for PC, but this is like an example. And if you go click scan, rescan disk devices, then you can like scan the disk, and I guess you can like dump it, and then you'll be fine. All right, that's it. No more. That's my last thing. I'm gonna last video about this.